Here, Ellie Soyud, Coach Taka Minowa, and Justine Hazarena of the Akari Chargers who won in 5 sets against the Choco Mucho Flying Titans. Coach, congratulations on this win, especially a big win in the semifinals. During the 5th set, it was Choco Mucho who was leading, but what can you say about the fight that Akari brought in this game?
We have a crucial point. Also, the crowd is really big, getting bigger, but the players keep on talking, like conversation. And then also, we just make sure what we need to do, and then we made it. It's really players' effort. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. And for Ellie, best player of the game, 34 big points tonight, even with 7 blocks. Ellie, ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo heading into this game to help the team get this win?
Yung teammates ko. Kasi talagang ilaban talaga nila, like lahat nagsasalita, nag-input ng info kung ano yung gagawin. So parang sa akin hindi pwedeng ma-waste lahat ng effort ng bawat isa.
Thank you. And for Justine, grabe rin yung ambag mo in terms of defense. Ano lang ba yung ikaw personally, motivation mo para sa game na to?
Siguro yung motivation ko is nandito na kami. Hindi na namin to sasayangin. Kasi wala na parang ipoprove din namin yung sarili namin kung hanggang saan yung kaya namin.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Ellie and Justin, yun nga, naging 1 point away yung Choco from getting the game. Kumbaga ano lang yung pinag-usapan nyo sa loob para mapagtyagaan nyo and makabalik sa laro?
Siguro yung sa amin, parang walang bibitaw. Kahit anong mangyari sa bola, kukuhanin namin, bubuhayin namin. Yun lang naman.
Same as kay Justin, yun lang talaga. Kasi wala kung hindi kami lalaban, wala talaga mangyayari sa amin. So kami, bigay na lang lahat para wala nang magkakaroon ng parang panghihinayang. Good. So, yun. Buti naman na nagkabungan.
Yun nga, Ellie, record performance din to para sa'yo. So, mula ng eliminations na medyo shaky yung simula ng Akari. Ngayon, simula nung natapos yung prelims, di pa kayo natatalo ulit. So, personally ba, meron ka bang mas malalim na hugot na ngayon or motivation na naging mahirap yung pagkatalo niyo siguro ng reinforced conference finals, tas ngayon, ang taas agad ng inaangat niyo. So, ano lang yung, kumbaga, nagpapagana ulit sa'yo ngayon?
Yung tiwala. Yung tiwalang binigay sa akin ni Coach Naka, yung coaches, syempre, and then yung teammates ko. Parang, syempre, ito na yung time ko, nabigyan ako ng playing time. So, ginrab ko na, and syempre, gusto ko din na hindi yun masayang. And syempre, sa akin na din yun parang binigyan ako ng playing time. So, dapat talagang i-grab ko yung opportunity na to para din, syempre, sa career ko din, na makapaglaro sa loob at mapatunayan kung kaya ko pa talaga.
For Coach, you've been talking about harder trainings since the past few months. Entering the semifinals, 3 tough teams, Creamline, Choco Mucho, and Petrogas. How much harder did the training sessions or have they been so far? And now it's paid off with this big win.
I'm not thinking too much about this conference because it's just progress for this team. That's why we just need to focus on ourselves, what we need to improve. Of course, we analyze all the opponent side, but also same timing. Also, like somehow, also we can improve, like prepare on against next match. So it's just process for making better team.
And for Justine, simula ng pagbalik mo, kumbaga, you're juggling still a lot of responsibilities on and off the court, academics, and parenthood, and also PVL, of course. So, kumbaga ngayong higher stakes na sa dulo ng conference, parang, how are you still juggling everything, balancing everything, and making sure na you're still delivering in all areas ngayon sa life mo? So,
Time management lang kasi sa sobrang dami ko nga din talagang ginagawa. Parang kailangan ko rin, kung nag-a-adjust sa akin yung team, kailangan ako rin mag-a-adjust sa team. Kasi, yun nga, parang nandito na all out na lang talaga.
Coach, next game in the semifinals will be against Creamline. So how will this big win over Choco Mucho help you guys heading into that game?
We just have 2 days. So, we just focus on the condition. She great time na Faye still need to control the injured. And she AD also, of course, like, she's hitting like 50 attempts. So also she need to rest. We just focus on next, but maybe it's just a mind. We just need to keep on like high mindset against like strong team because we're a challenger. We are not beating any team.
Coach, quickly, just your thoughts on an international, a foreign referee today. So, I guess how did that change, if it did change anything about today's game now that we have foreign-based referees?
Maybe decision is fast. Like if someone is got confused, they're going to decide immediately. That's why also not got confused because usually like after like something will happen, we just go to discuss, the referees discuss. That's why also getting like taking the time. But in today, he also like decided immediately. That's why like, game is going to not long, and we are not going to also confuse. It's more clear.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Ellie. Congrats on the win.